Some of the reasons why Haruna Sales is a place to come to is number one is customer satisfaction. I truly believe that until a customer is 100% satisfied, my job is not completely done.
I have been a client of Haruna for many years. 15 years ago, actually I got the entire upholstery redone for my boat for a 28-foot Bayliner. They did a superb job.
My dad started Haruna Sales in 1976. We started Mercury Marine 3 years ago approximately, and it's just been taken off from there. We became basically a dealer for Fusion. We took them on because it's a true marinized unit. Fusion just released the 700 series now, which makes it even more marinized, where now we can integrate it into your NEMA 2000, which is your depth sounder, your radar. We can also now put an iPad docking station in. We can do so much more, and everyone's going with the iPad, and now you can control lights and stuff like that using your NEMA, and you can control it from your iPad. You can turn on your stereo from there if you wanted to. You can do a lot more stuff than you can with any other company. To get a full marinized deck for $300 is not bad. You know, you're getting what you pay for. You may spend $25 to $100 more for a decent stereo, but this is truly, truly marinized.